Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how I animated this eye in Procreate. So without further ado, let's just start the video. Here I am quickly cleaning up my sketch with drawing brush. Once I'm done with the line art, I'll remove the sketch layer and add details like shadows and highlights. So here my line art is ready. Now I'll just quickly add the skin color. For that I'm adding a new layer under the line art layer and just quickly adding the details like shadows, highlights, iris color, the white part of the eye and eyelashes. Here I am done with the details, so I'll just merge all the layers and turn on the animation assist, add a new layer and adding skin color to the background. I'll use this layer for the background. Turn on animation assist and select the layer as background. Now just duplicate the open eye frame and start adding details. To make this frame as half open eye, I'm just quickly adding up the details here. Now I'm done with the half open eye. I'll duplicate the half open eye layer and start making it like it's fully closed eye. We'll just draw 3 frames like open eye, half open eye and fully closed eye. And with these 3 frames, we'll just animate our eye like this, opening and closing. Now I'm done with my final frame. Now let's see how it works. As you can see, animation is just too fast, so we'll just go to the settings menu and reduce the frame per second to 3. Let's play it again and see how it's going. It's pretty smooth now, but as you can see there is a problem, so let me tell you that how you can work with the frames. Now let's just start duplicating our frames and replacing them. Now adjust frames in such a way that first the eye is open, then it's half closed and then it's fully closed. Similarly, adjust the frames to open the eye, such as from a fully closed eye to slightly open eye and then a fully open eye. Because the animation is happening on a loop, we'll keep the half open eye as last frame. Now play it again and let's see if there is a problem. Then we'll adjust the frames again and complete our animation. So that's it for the today guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and do let me know in the comment section if this was helpful or not, and what do you want to learn next, and I would come up with more tutorials like this. So happy drawing, see you in the next video, bye bye.